So hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Preetham. Nice background, right? So yeah, the weather was good. I thought, let me just take out my camera and let's shoot a video for you guys. So I literally just finished a coaching call with my client and हम यार discuss कर रहे थे, 1 घंटा call चला वो, and it was more about, we were talking about this high value man kind of thing, ठीक है? So he wanted to understand, man, like what's this high value man, how do I portray the traits? So उसका जो like the way he thought about this high value thing was, the way you become a high value man is by squashing someone down. Okay? So that's his version of reality ki I better be arrogant, I better be rude, and I be the loudest person in the room. So मतलब मैं दूसरों को कुचल के मैं ऊपर जाऊँगा, and that's how I become the high value man. So that's what his thinking was. So I would like to just go थोड़ा सा in depth, just share the things which I shared with him. तो क्या सीन था? He is a guy, awesome guy by the way. सर बहुत arrogant है उसका थोड़ा सा nature. He wasn't like this. He became that guy eventually. So he was this very nice guy. And बाद में क्या सीन हुआ? Like as he went through life, he was like, you know what, this character of mine is not working. So he went to the extreme pole, and then he became this arrogant guy. So अभी क्या चीज़ है? He is like, भाई मेरे को घंटा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, if a girl is pretty, beautiful, लंबी, मेरे को फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता, मैं किसी को भी जाके बात कर लूँगा. He goes, but the thing is, his arrogance comes in the way. Push pull का he got to know कि अच्छा मतलब, you cannot compliment someone. If you compliment, उससे वो छीन लो, because if you compliment someone that they are beautiful, again you are putting the pussy on the pedestal and वो हमारे से ऊपर है, so उसको हम फट से नीचे ले आएंगे. So basically he was referring to this push-pull kind of shit. So here's my way of seeing this high value man thing. I just asked him कि तुम किससे डरते हो? So he said भाई मेरे पापा से बहुत फटती है. Same as me, ठीक है? मेरी भी पापा से बहुत फटती है. So I just told him कि what is your father doing differently? Why do you respect him? So does he come with this sword and be like, I'm your father, like you better bend down? No. It's his being, ठीक है? Like his father is just being masculine, and that itself ये vibe है पूरा. So this whole thing is vibe. So my way of telling him was, see, this everything is just vibe. So you don't have to say, if Virat Kohli comes in front of you, he doesn't have to show out his status. He doesn't have to, nothing. Just he is standing in front of you, you'll get to know, man, this dude is something else. Even you might have had experiences in your life and you encounter someone in your life. You don't know anything about them. Still, you are like, iska jo presence hai. Like, I don't know, this guy has some depth in him. He is powerful. Yet he is not doing anything special to show off that thing. So this high value man thing is basically your way of being. Well, like, you can see it as two ways. First is जैसे उसका था कि I need to better, take something from them and then squash it down. That's vacuous mentality. So that's basically like taking in, right? So उसके पास वो है, he has that status, she has that beauty status, I better take that thing down and squash it down and take it in me. Like लड़की ये करता है, मेरे को ये लड़की चाहिए, वो लड़की चाहिए. Like they are basically this grabbing game mentality, right? But that's very hollow. You constantly need to fill yourself up. So there's this book which I read, The Way of the Superior Man. उसमें वो बोलता है, like it's a state of being. There's this opposite of vacuous mentality, and that is radiant mindset. So radiant is basically like, I'm so full in myself. I don't need anyone's affirmation to make me feel good. I'm already so full. I just want to let out. I just want to give my love to this world. So this radiant mentality, this mindset that I'm so full, I just want to give my love to the world. You can also see the nature of our reproductive system as a man. It's out. It's supposed to ejaculate, right, in the world. That's how you procreate. So same way, women का कैसा रहता? It's a cave. They take in. So same way, you give out, they take in. Your job is to give. But if you go against the nature and you're like, I want to take everything. No, that doesn't work. So that's why. So this high value man thing, it's a way of being. Start being full. See yourself, yes, I'm already full. I have this dignity. I don't have to beat myself up. As a human being, I'm already full, and all I have to do is just give my love to this world. So that will start to create this shift. And if you're genuinely, giving people, I'm telling you, people can sense that thing. Okay? That's where your value kind of goes up and people are like, oh, okay, I want to be with this person. So yeah, हमारा call बहुत 1 घंटा चला, but it was fun to talk with him, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to share some insight to you on what we spoke on the client call. And yeah, it was an awesome call. Also, if you do want to work one-on-one with me, there will be a link where you can fill out the survey. And yeah, let's get on a call and see if I can get you results. I've been doing this since 1.5 years now. I know what works, what doesn't work. 50 plus guys have went through my coaching program and I know what works and how to get them results. Also, there will be a link for our Telegram community and Instagram. You can check that thing out also. And yeah, website ka link bhi hoga. You can get a free training. So yeah, I know I'm throwing lots of value and giving you guys, right? So yeah, thanks for watching again. My name is Preetham and I will see you in the next one.